Do you need extra cash, emergency cash? Maybe you just need to get to that next payday. This video is for you. You do not need good credit whatsoever. These personal finance apps that I'm getting ready to give you, I have 7 for you. These apps, you do not need personal credit, none of that. As long as you have income, a checking account, this video will be for you. Number one is called Tilt. For the sake of time, I'll go ahead and put each one of those, on the screen so you can screen grab it, whatever you need to do so you can get the information. Now, I still want you to do your due diligence, look it up, see which one is best for you. Now, I have so many of these, but I know you're not going to watch for hours on end. So today I'm only going to give you 7, but make sure you stay locked into the channel because I have a whole lot more information I want to share with you that I know will be beneficial for you. So number 1 is Tilt. Now this one is a newer cash advance. This one, it is based more on your income activity. Now, no traditional credit check like I told you before, but it is based on your banking history. So number 2 is called Vancy. Now, this one used to be formerly known as Credit Convey. I think that's what it was called. Convey, C-O-N-V-E-Y. But this one is income based. They are strict. No credit needed. So just make sure you do have a checking account and they welcome all credit scores. Number 3 is Empower. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. But if this is your return visit, I'm going to leave you with something to help build your credit. One thing I will do, because I've been in these situations at every step of the way in my life before, so I'm not just giving you information that I'm like, oh yeah, just get this. Listen, these loans, when I had to get a cash advance loan, then I had to get another loan in my life before, it helped to propel me to have excellent credit. Empower, great user experience. I love their website. They have a cash advance side, which is $300 credit limit. And then what I love is they have a line of credit. That one is $1,000, $1,100. Now with that one, if you just want to do the cash advance loan, you can do that one. But I just want to give you another option because you can build your credit if you need to. Now that one, I do know they have a subscription, but sometimes on a lot of these, like I have tons of them, but today we're only going to go over 7. But on some of these, and I'll tell you which ones, I'll kind of notate it. A lot of them you can always email. A lot of people don't know. It is worth the try. I've had a couple people, I said, just email it. And they're like, they waived it because they really want you to be a customer. It's not a lot of people that know that, but you can go on the website, email them and ask them. It does not hurt to ask. Listen, I always say no is a possible yes. So just go ahead, send them an email, explain your situation, just let them know, you really want to get the loan and see what happens. I can't promise anything, but you just never know. A lot of people have had success just emailing them. So just take a chance if you wanted to. Number 4 is Bridget. Now this one, again, this one can help you build your credit. This one is more of a structured repayment back. It does have a subscription fee. So again, you can go on their website and just ask. Number 5 is Clover. Now, not Clover with a C. Clover with a C is one of the services I use in my retail business. That one, that's retail. You don't want that one. What you want to go to is Clover with a K. Now, this one, they don't charge any interest rate. If you kind of like, they have like different things that you can do. Like if you do this survey, if you do this, they give you what's called earning points. So it'll keep increasing the amount that you can borrow. But remember, these are just emergency loans, just a purpose. You just needed to get your situation taken care of. And then I please promise me you're going to pay it back ASAP. I don't want you to be stuck, stressed out, all of that. So make sure you have a purpose, like say, okay, by this date, I'm going to pay these off. So, okay, I'm going to stop preaching. But okay, number 6 is Dave. Now, this one, I know you've seen on television. If you're an advocate surfer through YouTube, you probably have saw them. So Dave is a very popular one. That one goes up to $500. So same thing, no credit check, none of that. So check out Dave. In each one of these, I'm not just telling you to get all of them. You find what's good for your financial situation. Just, browse through the apps. You can even go on their website, see what is great for your situation. Now, I could not close this video out without looking out for my freelancers, my gig workers, my YouTubers, Uber driver, DoorDash, anything freelance. This last app is for you. Now, I don't get paid from YouTube. What I do is just give value, and I do not get paid on YouTube for providing videos, right? But there are some of you that are in, congratulations, by the way, you are in the Partners Program. So if you receive a 1099, whether, if you TikTok, whatever it is, this last app, you could utilize if you ever was in a, emergency situation. A lot of times these, the other apps that I talked about, those are W-2, you got to have a paycheck, but some people are freelance. Maybe you drive, and I got some great videos that I got to share with you. So you got to stay locked into the channel about some great things that you can increase your income. So make sure you stay locked in. But number 7 is ULET. So this is based on your income. They do not do no kind of credit check. It's fast funding. But remember, whichever you choose, just make sure you start with a plan and say, okay, I'm going to purpose to pay this off in a month or 2 months. I don't want you to drag it on out on end. So if you are able, let's go with a purpose. Listen, many of you, if this is your first time, welcome. But if this is your returning visit, I talk to you all the time about, I have been at every stage, needing a cash advance loan. Then I needed a loan when my credit wasn't good. And when I tell you, it does not matter where you start. It's about having a clear vision about where you want to end up. And you too can then have 800, 750 credit score, whatever that is. So do not despise small beginnings, because I'm telling you, many people had told me, oh my God, after the fact, right? You got a cash advance loan? Listen, they can say whatever they want to, but it's crazy because those very people who tried to judge me, I had to help them out with grants and other things. So listen, I love you no matter what, but I'm not going to let nobody make me feel bad. I had to do what I had to do. So if that is you, just make sure you pay it off with purpose. So I hope you found value in this video. So please do me a favor and hit the subscribe. Join the family here. Listen, I would love to have you part of the TYL family. Now, if you need additional funding, personal loans, whether you got good, bad credit, I am going to link some videos here. Meet me over there. I'm going to link it on the screen. Meet me over there. And don't forget, stay motivated, stay encouraged, create a productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll call you later. Bye.